Hi friends, good evening. Hope you are doing good actually. See, as said in the morning, I just want to give some brief knowledge about central pivot range, and again I want to share the levels. Okay, normally how I take shorts or how I take longs based upon this CPR. Okay, so if you go through this video before entering into the market, definitely it will be helpful. Okay, so to trade on which side and when to enter and when not to enter into the market. Okay, so let's start. See, basically central pivot range I already explained in previous video if you go through my channel. Okay, so I just want to go bit depth into this by showing the levels also now. Okay, today. So see, basically the CPR is the heartbeat of floor pivots. Normally what are floor pivots? Floor pivots are something like normal pivots like pivot point and resistance 1 or resistance 2 on the upper side, and downside support 1 and support 2 and so on, support 3 also. Okay, so generally this is a template. Okay, but central pivot range is something like which will give you much more information, saying that boss, you should not enter here. Okay, you need to enter here, you need to wait for these levels to bounce back. Okay, now the market might take a new direction. That's what this central pivot range will let you know. Okay, if you have patience. If you don't have patience, even this CPR can't do anything. So Mark Fisher introduced the concept of CPR in his book The Logical Trader, and he gave relevance to the daily central pivot, that is called PP. So most of the guys who follow pivot levels, they know about the PP, but and again some of them, they never get into the depth, so that's the reason they don't know about the CPR, which is the actual thing actually. So, and Frank Ochavo, okay, he's a guy who added another dimension to the daily pivot, where this is top central pivot. TC means top central pivot. Okay, TC is top central pivot and BC is bottom central pivot, and again PP, we already know that, right? Central pivot point, PP. So from here on, TC means top central pivot and BC means bottom central pivot. So the formula to do this every day, you can do it every day. Okay, in the sense today, as of now the market closed right after 3:30, you can always calculate the next day's CPR range. Next day's CPR range every day you can calculate after today's market close by using this formula. Means TC is, what is that? TC, top central pivot, equals to pivot minus bottom central pivot plus pivot. Okay, so to calculate this, first we need to know about the pivot, right? So pivot is nothing but yesterday's, previous days high, low, close by 3. Okay, because we are using 3 fields. Okay, 3 values we are using, that's the reason we are dividing it by 3. This is a formula which was developed a long back. Okay, and once you got that pivot, the next thing you need to do is you need to calculate the BC, because this value we need in the to get the TC, right? So BC is bottom central, so to the first thing we need to calculate pivot, next bottom central. Bottom central pivot, how do you calculate? High plus low by 2. Okay, it is also the previous days only. So once you get these 2 values, you can calculate the top central pivot, that is pivot minus bottom central plus pivot. Okay, so this formula will help you each and every day, remember that. Okay, and going forward in this video, I'll also tell you what are the sites which are giving this CPR range directly on the charts. And most of the Indian brokers, okay, if you take any top level broker, they are not giving the CPR range. Okay, on the charts, means you cannot add on the charts directly. I do that actually. See, for example, if I show you the Sharekhan here, I'm going through now anyhow. So just now I calculate for you guys only, okay, to show you. This is a 60 minutes chart. Yeah, 60 minutes chart here, and this is a Nifty chart. Okay, so today is this contract is 28th, right? And if you see, right, I just now calculated, because normal floor pivots, okay, everyone will give you, but CPR range no one will give you. See, I'm adding, yes, pivot points, daily pivots I'm adding. You can also add weekly, monthly, quarterly, all pivots you can add. As of now I'm adding only daily pivots. Okay, I just added, and if you see here, it came right. So this is central pivot point, PP. I told you, we already know this. Okay, so we got this value. By using this value, what we gonna do is we gonna get this bottom central pivot. Here bottom central pivot is this one, okay, and top central pivot is this one. You might ask me why bottom means here and top means there. Okay, because see, the next day view will be given by this actually. So that's the CPR benefit actually, means main feature. Okay, see, if you take here, even when I calculated also, generally we get a doubt, right? Bottom means downside and top means, bottom means downside and top means on the upside. But here this horizontal line is BC and this line is TC. Okay, and don't confuse yourself, because whenever you do the calculation, you will come to know, and you know the next day price open. So if you see here, I just calculated using the calculator. Okay, something like, see, what I have done is using the pivot we can calculate, right? So take off means yesterday's high. First pivot, how can you get it? By yesterday's high low close by 3. Okay, you'll get this value. No need to do that, because we already have this value, this orange color you can see, right? But to get this lower horizontal line and this upper horizontal line, means this one is top central pivot and this is bottom central pivot. Okay, how to calculate that? Using the formula. What is the formula? The formula is simple. Bottom central pivot, if you want to calculate, you need to add high plus low by 2, right? Previous days. So what is the high and what is the low? If you take here, what is the low here? You can see here these values. I'll place the cursor here. Low is 9202. Okay, and that is low, plus, and what is the high? 9442.7, right? And if you divide it by 2, you get 9322.4, right? If you see here, I already placed the horizontal line. If you can see here, are you able to see here, right? So what is the value I calculated now? I calculated the bottom central pivot. So the next value is top central pivot. To calculate the top central pivot, what is the formula we need? We need pivot, and that should be taken off from the BC value, plus again we need to add the pivot. So once you do this, right, you will get this 9257, this one. Okay, you do it on your own, and if you have any doubts, please do comment. Okay, so that you'll also come to understand. So once we get to these two levels, so let me show you, for example, okay, for instance, I don't like this. Let me get to some 15 minutes. See, today, okay, today market opened like this, gap down first of all initially, okay, but this value we know yesterday itself, what this range, am I right or wrong? And all these pivots also, floor pivots we can calculate. I already explained you in a video, okay, if you go through that video, you'll know what is the formula to calculate these floor pivots. Means pivot R1, R2, R3 and downside S1, S2, S3. So once you get all these levels, so the next day what you're gonna do means there is a gap down here and it came down and it taken the support at S2. Remember one thing, first of all, I want to tell you in another video also, but I'll just make it a crispy one, okay, very small one note. See, don't run for a lot of things actually in the market. If you want to sustain in the market, just follow one method, that is enough for the life, okay, because no pattern, no indicator, no strategy, nothing will work in this market for every month, every year. Remember that every 2-3 months the algorithm gets changed, okay, the pattern gets changed. So not even big guys like Warren Buffett or Jhunjhunwala or any trader, you name any professional trader in the world, they cannot find the holy grail, okay, because the market never ever follow the same way. So the only thing you need to do is just concentrate on only one strategy or one method, and it should be very simple. Just follow that with a proper risk reward. That's enough. So if you understand pivot levels and CPR range properly, try it for on a paper trading for 10-20 trades and you will come to know what is the importance of these things, okay, seriously. So basically here it has taken at S2 support, and what it has done is, see here, S2 is taken seriously as support, and see here it bounced back, and where it has taken means where the resistance is there actually. See here, the top central pivot, the downside one is top central pivot, am I right? Okay, so this top central pivot acted as a resistance here, means it stopped the price Nifty today, understand, and it came back like anything, and anyhow the market has closed here. So tomorrow, if we calculate tomorrow's range, we will come to know the market situation, and anyhow tomorrow there will be a huge gap up and there will be some kind of a expectations is something like 300-400 points gap up will be there in Nifty, and Bank Nifty I don't know, we cannot assume also, it might be 500 or it might be 800 points, or else if it opens a 200-300 points upside also, it will move higher, okay, based upon today's package. 20 lakh crore package was announced by Modi. So by the time the minute starts from Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, so the market will get opened and there will be a big gap up. I'm expecting that. So well, let's come back to our concept here. So the pivot range, see here, okay, this range will tell you a lot of things. So let me take off this now, okay, let me, yeah, if you can see, right, this is a trading view, okay. I think some time back I told you, see, normally I don't get it in the Sharekhan. I already told you, Sharekhan, ICICI, Motilal Oswal, Angel Broking, all these service providers, okay, broking firms, they don't give you the CPR range directly on the chart, means add, you cannot add it directly, add study. Okay, you cannot add it, everything will be there, but you won't find this CPR range. Okay, so if you want to add directly rather than calculating every day using this formula, okay, if you have time you can add, but like pivots, right, how they are coming directly onto the screen like this, see, we can add directly, right, with a 2 button itself I can add it directly, apply, came. But what about the CPR range like this, how to get it directly? So what you need to do is you need to go to any provider who will directly give you the on chart, okay, plugin. Okay, see, go to indicators and search for, here in TradingView I'm telling you, and search for CPR, and you'll get lot of guys who already created this CPR for themselves, and a lot of other people are already using it. There are a lot of downloads you can see, means installed guys. Okay, so I use the one who who invented this, okay, who has developed this CPR. I have taken that guys actually, so that it will be most trusted one. So let's come to the point now rather than discussing all these things. See, basically what a CPR will give you is, I'll tell you in 3 points. First thing, the next day range will be decided. Remember this, okay? This is CPR range, and this is, you can see the pink color line, right? This is pivot, PP, and based upon the next day's opening, we can tell that whether it is a top central pivot or bottom central pivot. By seeing this range, what you need to understand is this is TC and this is BC. Understand? And here, oh my goodness, and here, see here, now this is BC and this is TC, and you'll get to know that based upon the calculation only. Once you apply the formula, you'll come to know that, okay, that's not a big deal actually. So here this is BC and this is TC and this is PP. Okay, so now the first point is done. Based upon the range, you can decide the direction. So the next important point is, if this range, CPR range, is narrow, means there is a concept also, narrow CPR range. Okay, generally what happens, narrow CPR range means there will be a huge trend on that day, either upside or downside. I'll show you right in front of your eyes only here, just a minute. This is a gap down, see here, narrow CPR, but the yesterday's guys who had shorted here, they are lucky. See the range here, already there is a gap down, but generally I don't call this is a narrow CPR range because this is a gap down. Okay, let me get into the some 15 minutes. Yeah, we got it now. See, this is a broad, there is a gap, right, between the range, there is a gap. If you see here, closely observe here, see this, can you see any lines here? Can you see any lines? Only blue line you can see, am I right? And if you see, right, simply initially operators will trap, but don't listen to them. Okay, wait for a candle, positive candle on the upside, and then if you trade, right, this is a trending day, there is a pullback definitely, but the next half doesn't matter because we can book here the profit. See, a narrow CPR will give you a trending day. Okay, but if you take a wide CPR, see when there is a gap is very less, right? Generally what happens is a trending day will be happening. Again see here the CPR is very narrow, and if you can see a downside trend, means if the range is very wide and right, the range bound trading will happen. I'll show you very clearly. See here, are you able to see one blue line, a trending day, am I right? And see when there is a gap, what happens is upside downside, range bound, and again see here it came again. See, means swings will be there, and the range is very limited, so that you cannot trade either side here. But here, by seeing these dotted lines on a single phase, only single line you can see, that is saying that boss, the market will be either on the upside or the downside. It won't be on the range bound. See here, there is a small range is there in the CPR, means small gaps are there in between, so that it is mixed. Okay, and again see here, and just watch it here again, single line upside. See the range here, see this, there is a lot of gap in between these three lines, and see the range, means range bound, complete range bound, you cannot trade. Okay, sideways gap and sideways to downside. See this gap, lot of gap right in between. This is called a complete sideways range bound trading day. By seeing these long gaps in between, only that day you can decide Tata Steel will not go beyond these three lines, means this will act as a top central pivot, this is pivot, and this is bottom central pivot. See, it started here, it moved upside, came down, and again sustained for some time and came down to the bottom central pivot. See this, there is very small gaps between these three lines, started fall here and move back. Okay, so what I wanted to tell you is, once you place this CPR range on your chart, and if you calculate by using this formula, and if you place the CPR lines on the chart, what happens is basically you can understand what will be the range and where the market is getting reversed. Reversal, where the reversal is happening, and where can you exit also. If you enter, it will tell you where to exit also the next day. Understand? If you can see here, see the next day, if you apply these lines, for example, you know this day and you shorted here, and by closing, if you apply the lines, you know that there will be a movement on the upside. What you gonna do? You can't do anything if you are in a short here, but at least in the opening you can exit, because you know that once this previous CPR range was taken, this price is going to move upside only. So by at least by this information you can exit here. You no need to book all this loss, right? So that is the CPR range. Okay, so all these, not only CPR range, if you add up the pivot levels, you'll get a lot of information, so that you can trade on the safest side possible. And see today, let's see today also there is a small gaps in between these lines, and there is a gap down, it has fallen back, and as these days currently the volatility is very much high, and it bounced back to the same level, CPR range. And if you apply the moving averages, or if you apply any Fibonacci levels, or if you apply any Ichimoku on this, you can trade much better also. Okay, going forward I'll be showing you all those things as well. Okay, and And I want to keep telling you again and again, never depend upon only one concept or one thing. In the sense, try to learn these pivots and CPR range perfectly using again candlesticks also. Understand? So knowing only one thing, it won't help you, and you need to learn the candlesticks and the price action. If you have these three things, then you can win more times and you can lose very less times. That's the game. Okay. So if you take any chart, for example, let's see SBI. Okay. See here, today every chart will be like this only. And see here, this is range. Am I right? So simply open here, direct fall. Trending day, right? It's a trending day or not? Simple one trend. Started here but trend. See, if there is any gap, what happens? It's a range bound. Downside, upside, downside, upside. Range. In between 3 hours, it's a simply killing the time. See this? There is not much of a gap, but it taken a range. So that's the reason we should not depend upon only one indicator. You can see is there any means much gap here? No, right? Very small gap is there in between these lines and a trending day. Again a gap down. That's the reason market is completely sideways for SBI. And see here a trending two trending days completely, right? It started here, it moved above upside, the next day also it moved upside, even the next day gap up. See here steps. So CPR will give you the much more advantage you needed, because it will give you the levels from where the market will reverse or from the where the market will bounce back also. Okay, having only pivot levels, 4 flooring pivots won't help you much. They will help you definitely. 50% game is here only, but the rest of the 50% you can forecast the market by using CPR range. For example, by today's open means high, low, close, the next day you can calculate and decide the market's levels on any stock or index. Okay. And thank you. And guys, if you have any doubts on this video, okay, please do comment. And if there are any mistakes from my side, please put it in the comment section. I'll rectify it. Okay. Thank you. And please ask whether means any other information you need on any particular stock or any technical analysis video. Okay. Thank you guys. Stay safe and enjoy the trading. Thank you.